Hi, what if I told you that your daily commute could be faster, greener, and way more fun without breaking a sweat? Today, we're diving into the top best e-bikes for women commuters available on Amazon that make city riding effortless, stylish, and powerful. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out while watching. From speed demons to comfy cruisers, these e-bikes cater to every commuter's needs, and we'll compare them head to head so you can find the perfect match. Let's jump straight into it. On number 6, the 1000-watt Peak City Cruiser. E-bike is a powerhouse built for urban streets, combining comfort, cargo utility, and strong performance. Its 1000 watts peak brushless motor pushes it to a practical 21.7 miles per hour, while the 48-volt removable battery offers an impressive 50-mile range, perfect for daily commutes or errands, without worrying about recharging. The 26-inch tires roll smoothly on paved roads, and the adjustable stem plus rear rack make it incredibly commuter-friendly, allowing easy carrying of groceries or work gear. Compared to the electric mountain e-bike, 1,200 watts, 27.5 inches, the City Cruiser sacrifices extreme speed and off-road capability for smoother rolling, regulatory compliance, and practical utility, making it a safer and more versatile daily ride for city streets. Its UL 2849 certification adds peace of mind with electrical safety, although the extra weight from the large battery and motor can make handling stairs or transport tricky. Assembly is straightforward but slightly more complex than simpler models due to integrated features. Overall, this is an excellent choice for riders prioritizing daily utility, comfort, and reliable range. What do you think about a commuter-focused e-bike like this? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, stepping it up, the 27.5-inch mountain e-bike combines off-road ruggedness with commuter efficiency. With a 1,200-watt peak motor and 28 miles per hour top speed, it outpaces the City Cruiser for riders looking to mix trails with city streets. The 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery supports up to 55 miles, and its 21-speed transmission, paired with mountain wheels, gives precise control over hills and uneven terrain. Compared to the City Cruiser's 7-speed and 26-inch setup, this bike sacrifices the rear cargo rack and integrated commuter accessories for raw versatility and speed, making it ideal for adventurous riders who need one bike for both commuting and weekend trail adventures. Its step-over frame may be less accessible for some women, but the mechanical durability and off-road readiness compensate for that. On city streets, it cruises efficiently, though it doesn't offer the same commuter-centric features like racks or fenders, meaning extra accessories may be needed. If you want a hybrid that tackles multiple terrains without compromising power, this is your go-to. Which do you prefer, pure commuter utility or mixed terrain performance? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, the 1,000 watts Peak Electric Bike targets riders looking for a balance between urban commuting and light trail adventures. With a 25 miles per hour top speed and a 360 watt-hours removable battery giving 40-plus miles of range, it comfortably handles city streets and minor bumps with front suspension smoothing out rougher roads. The 7-speed transmission paired with 26-inch wheels ensures comfortable pedaling across inclines. And compared to the mountain e-bike, 1,200 watts, 27.5 inches, it trades slightly less top speed and off-road capability for better accessibility, lower weight, and a simpler, more budget-friendly option. This model shines for first-time e-bike owners or commuters who want a reliable, sturdy, and efficient ride without extra off-road bells and whistles. While the Explorer full suspension model may offer 65-plus miles and slightly softer shock absorption, the 1,000-watt Peak excels in power for urban hill climbs. For those who want a capable all-rounder that won't overwhelm in speed or complexity, this e-bike is perfect. Do you prefer simplicity and comfort over maxed-out performance? Share your opinion below. On number 2, the 1,000-watt folding electric bike is a beast of portability and power, offering a 30-plus miles per hour top speed and an enormous 48-volt, 20.8 amp-hour battery giving up to 80 miles of range. Unlike the MOONCOOL or City Cruiser, this bike folds, making it ideal for apartment dwellers, RV owners, or anyone needing compact storage. The 20-inch fat tires give traction across diverse surfaces, but smaller wheels mean slightly less rolling efficiency compared to 26-inch commuter bikes. In real-world scenarios, it accelerates quickly, handles city potholes confidently, and beats all previous models in sheer long-distance capability. Compared to the MOONCOOL, 700 watts, and even the City Cruiser, 1,000 watts, 48 volts, this folding e-bike offers nearly triple the battery capacity and critical folding functionality, although it comes with increased weight and potentially regulatory limits in certain areas due to its 30-plus miles per hour speed. If portability and long-range power matter most, this bike is unmatched. How important is folding functionality to you? Let me know. On number 1, topping our list is the EDIKANI electric bike, the ultimate step-through commuter designed for women seeking both power and comfort. Its 1,500-watt peak motor and 48-volt, 499-watt-hour battery provide up to 70 miles of range, making it ideal for long commutes or hilly city landscapes. The 26-inch wheels, combined with a step-through frame, allow effortless mounting and smooth rides, giving it a clear advantage over the MOONCOOL or City Cruiser for accessibility without sacrificing strength. Compared to the 1,000-watt folding bike, the EDIKANI offers a larger wheel size for stability and a more traditional commuter geometry, while still delivering phenomenal peak power. Short climbs are tackled effortlessly, and long-distance rides are achievable without worrying about battery life. Its only limitations are regulatory speed compliance, 25 miles per hour, and added weight from the powerful motor and battery, but the advantages for dedicated commuters far outweigh these. For riders looking for a potent, long-range, easy-to-handle step-through e-bike, this is the best pick. Would you choose raw power and long range or lightweight urban comfort? Share your thoughts. So guys, that wraps up the countdown of the best e-bikes for women commuters. Each one has its strengths, from the accessibility of the MOONCOOL to the power and range of the EDIKANI and the portability of the folding bike. So choose the one that fits your commute and lifestyle. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Drop your favorite in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome e-bike reviews. Thanks for watching.